Move files to folders based on file extension. Say we have file, PDF file, doc file, Excel files, or text files. So based on file extension like .pdf, .docx, .xlsx, or .txt. So based on the file extension, we will move this file to the PDF folder, doc folder, or Excel folder. We can do this automation through Power Automate or macro. In this example, we will see how can we move files to folder based on the macro. So here we have some things. We have folder for doc files, Excel, Notepad means txt, text file, PDF file, and source file. So first we see what is in our source folder. So we have some sample document file, Word file, sample Excel file, Notepad txt file. Okay, so now based on this extension, so all the documents file will move to doc files here, and all the Excel file will move to here, Excel folder. Okay, so we open our macro Excel file. Here we need to give something. For example, first we give all the folder path. First we get the source file path. Source, so our source, this is our source folder. So get the folder path. So select, shift right click, copy as path, and paste in the cell C3. Same way we take the Excel folder path, this one Excel files, select, shift right click, copy as path, paste in the Excel files folder path. Same way we give the doc folder path. So macro will move the documents file to this folder, select, shift right click, copy as path. For text and PDF file, do the same thing, give to the specific cell, macro will read this cell. So for the PDF, select, shift right click, PS path, and put in the PDF folder, cell C7. So here in this macro will move only Excel file, doc file, text file. So 4 types of file we will move to respective folder. Now we run the macro to move the files to respective folders. So files moved based on extension. So check our, so we don't have anything in the source folder now because everything moved to respective folder. Check the doc files folder. So here we see all the docx files are there. So all the Excel files in the Excel folder. So same way all the text files in the Notepad folders, and all the PDF files in the PDF folders. Move files to folders based on the file extension. So we have some PDF file. So the file extension is doc.pdf. So based on this extension, this PDF file will be saved in a certain folder. So we have a name called PDF folder. So doc file will be saved in a doc folder, all the words file, and Excel file .xlsx file will be saved in the Excel folder. So we will do this automation through Power Automate desktop. So let's open the Power Automate. So you need to download first Power Automate from Microsoft website and install in your computer. So after that you open Power Automate, and when Power Automate open, then you open a new flow. So we write as text, move files based on extension. So after that you create a new flow. So here we have our files. So when you download from our website, you will get a zip file. So you open the zip file, and copy the folder to your local drive or any where you want. So now you open. So there are some files here. We have some document file, Excel file, text file, PDF file, and we have also some zip file. So we first unzip the zip file and delete the existing zip file, and after that we move all the file, all the respective file. The document file saved in the doc files, text file in the files, PDF file in the PDF files. So here we have one instruction folder also, one log folder also. In the log folder we will save a text file. How many files will be moved to different respective folder with today's date. And we have some here one folder for instructions. Here we have Power Automate code and also some instructions. So you open the Power Automate code. So you select all the Power Automate code, copy and paste in your Power Automate, the new flow you open. We have our existing flow open here. We show from here how to run the flow. So first we need our folder path where all the files, the source file are there, and also where our file, how many files we moved, the text file generated log file will be saved here. So we need to give our folder path here. So this is the existing path, so we need to go here. So this is our main folder actually, handling files. So we need to get the folder path. To get the folder path, shift right click and you will get a copy as path. So now come to the Power Automate folder path variable. So remove the existing path and give you new file path, folder path, and remove the double quote and save. So now our path is saved in this folder path variable. In this step we get the current date time. So we use this date time to create our log file, and we convert this current date time to our text format. So here we create 4 new list 1 for. So we handling in this flow, we handle 4 types of file: Excel file, document file, text file, and PDF file. That's why we create 4 types of create new list. And here to get in this step, get files in the folder. So in the folder path variable we take first zip file. So we zip file and we unzip this file. So in this step we unzip all the files and delete the zip files. So after that we get, in this step we get all the files. So this is our folder path variable, and this is our, this star means we take all types of file extension, means PDF, text, document, and Excel. So if you want to give any specific file type, for example remove the star, for example .pdf, yeah, or .docx specific, but here we move all types of file. That's why we put star here. So then now we move each type of file one by one. So first we move text file, then we'll move to the notepad files folder. So this is our our text file will be moved to the notepad files. That's why we use here, this is the folder path, and Up in the folder path there is another folder, notepad folders. So our text file will move to the notepad folders. Again same way, then we move the excel, all the excel files, then we move the document file, docx files, then we move the pdf file. So for each type of file we have condition. When the condition met, then our folders move one by one, and after that create a log text file. So how many files they move, count, and we in the text file log file we give that today's log file name is log and today's date. So let's run, and so this is our source file. In this folder, this four types of folder we have. For four types of file we have zip file, we unzip the file and delete the zip file, and we move all the files to respective folder and create a log file to see the status. So save the flow and run the flow. So our flow ran successfully. Let's go our folder. So you see we don't have any source file there, no zip file. So first we check the PDF files. So our PDF files are there. Then we check our notepad files, the text files are there. We move our Excel files, then our document files. So this zip means these are coming. Unzip the zip file and take the respective types of file there. And here we have a log file and created a log file. So this is the today's date. We have this date format 2025 0201 and also some other timing. So and if you open the log file, you will see. So our robot ran this time. We total is to 19 files. So we have 6 doc file, 5 Excel file, 5 notepad file, and 3 PDF file.